So we're not in India anymore. We made the move this morning. We are going back to India actually in 1 month's time, but we have arrived back in one of our old hometown, Chiang Mai.
Yes.
And and we were looking for a place just for like 1 month's rent actually, which is not common in Thailand because usually you can just rent a place for like a whole year at a really cheap price. Now we did get a deal on this one and we'll tell you about that at the end, but we'll have a look in it, and so we'll get Guy to show us a little bit around and we'll talk about a lot of things.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, I really like when you just walk in.
Yeah.
Before you open the door, it's really quiet and,
Yeah.
and feel a bit more private too. Like, I think we needed a little bit of this.
Yeah. Okay, let's have a look around. Huh?
This is our room.
Yeah. So first tell us where are we, like what's the name of the place?
It's called the Nevis. It's like service apartment. So they actually do short-term and long-term lease.
Yeah.
And obviously we got the short-term for just for 1 month. But
Yeah.
if you're wanting to stay for longer, obviously I think you can get a cheaper deal than what we're paying just for 1 month.
Yes. And we've got everything here, right? We've got a gym downstairs, we've got a pool outside.
Yes.
And we're in a quiet part of Chiang Mai.
Yes. I mean, I can't believe just like a 20-minute walk from here.
Yeah.
There's a shopping center or little markets, and you can get just some food or just some groceries. It's just right around the corner, really.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really quiet, so you don't think you're in the kind of middle of a city, or we are not in the middle of a city, but it's really a good location.
And there's a really good feature to this place that we'll show you in a second,
Yes.
but we'll have a look around. So let's have a look. Complimentary bananas, little...
Thai hospitality is the number one.
The ladies here are awesome. Like
They just welcome us and they took care of us. Really nice people. Like that's why we love Thailand.
They said we were supposed to check in at 3.
But we just as soon as out of the airport, we are here.
And we haven't slept all night, so midnight flight, arrived in Chiang Mai midday.
Yes.
So this is the kitchen, as you guys can see. What you got there, Doc?
Yeah, it's just a view that we saw from outside. And
Yeah.
you just have breakfast, or have a cup of tea, have a nice just the trees around. It's a pretty nice view outdoors.
It is beautiful, yeah.
Yes, it's really.
Like the back streets.
It is a back street. Yeah.
The lady was saying we can play chess over here. I don't know what she was talking about, but
I think right over there, some sort
there's
of
a chessboard or something?
Yeah, park. That's
We'll
it,
have
I
to-
think.
We'll have to sort that out.
Yeah, walk around.
Not that you and I can play chess, but
Gotta learn how to play chess.
I got no time for that. All right, so what do we got here? We got a beautiful kitchen. We got induction. Got an exhaust fan.
I mean, you don't get this sort of a kitchen even at a, like a 6 month or 1 year contract house or apartment. But again, this is really nice kitchen, right? I mean, we've lived in Thailand. There's so many different places for a long time, and this is one of the best places. And you got kettle and microwave, and they have like the cutlery basics. It's all taken care of.
Look at that.
It's all come with it.
Got everything, dustbin, and the sink, primo.
It's nice and clean.
This is definitely better than a lot of places that we, even when we used to live in Bangkok about 10 years ago.
Yeah, freezer. I mean, again, even fridge, you usually get just the one door one, right? It's just a little top part for frozen part, but
that's right.
It's proper.
Yeah.
Clean. So
You can get, even for 2, possibly even a family, you could fill that fridge up.
Oh yes.
All well and good.
And
this is the bathroom. Let's have a look. Hello. And super, yeah.
very clean.
We just walked in, so the towels are all there, and it's a serviced apartment, so they're always giving us fresh towels every few days.
Yes.
Sink, and the size of this shower is a behemoth.
Even
So
the bathroom is pretty impressive.
it is, yeah, it really is. Compared to some of the guest houses that we live in India, this size shower is a dream.
Heaven. Heaven.
But
Paradise.
But there's a lot of things that India has that Thailand doesn't. So. And we come into the bedroom. There's all our gear.
Yep.
A massive bed, like what do you? That's a king size. How is it?
Oh, I think I can just get to sleep right now.
Yeah.
It's nice and firm bed actually. Sometimes too soft mattress is not very good, but this is really nice. Again, like plenty of room.
Yeah. We got a chair in the thing there.
Yeah,
we got the idiot box there if anyone wants to indoctrinate themselves with a lot of rubbish.
Aircon. And yeah, this is, I really like this one. It's got wardrobe. This one is for the swimming pool towel. Yeah, they offer you all that, and yeah, plenty of room to store all of your clothes.
It's really homely, isn't it? It's like a proper good studio apartment. Like even here, like we've got a desk. If I want to write or edit videos, and I mean, you could say, okay, it's not much of a view, but it's a thought that counts, you know. And even if I wanted to, you know, give myself a little pamper or something, I don't know, but anyway, it's equipped with that. So.
And one thing I just wanted to mention with this place, I organize all from India.
Yeah.
So this is the very first time we even come and see this place. So the people were just super good with their emails and back and forth and really quick response and very, very organized. So I really appreciate for their good service.
And that's not the first time you and I have done that. So if anyone that is interested in living in Thailand, it's super easy to organize this sort of accommodation.
Yes.
Even back 2015, Guy and I were living in Nepal, and after the earthquake in Nepal, we waited a month or so, and then we moved back here to Chiang Mai, and we did it all online. And as we flew in, just as we did this time, we walked straight into an apartment. So
yeah, the lady was waiting for us, right?
Exactly.
In front of
the condo.
Yes.
So that's the ease of moving to Thailand, and a lot of people, you know, they think it's difficult, and it's really not.
They have really perfect English. They're super nice, and hospitality is just.
And Guy and I have been living here on and off for like 12 years, so it's not difficult. We've lived in Chiang Mai, Pai, and also Bangkok, and every time we moved into an apartment was a piece of cake. It was very easy. Now, some other countries it's not like that, but for whatever reason, Thailand is very easy to move in, and if you love the culture like we do, it's one of the best places to live in the world. Yes. So let's have a look at, we got your bag there. Yes. There's a panoramic shot. It's a good size. I don't know what the square meterage is here, but it's
so much space.
So much space. It's
easily actually family can stay for a holiday for like, I don't know,
100%.
Yeah.
Oh, but you could live here.
You can, yeah.
I mean,
again, people do live here for long term.
Of course they do. So. Yeah. And long term contracts are going to be way cheaper. So now this is the highlight of the place in our opinion.
Yes.
So let's have a look. What do we have here? Wow. Oh my God.
Look at this.
Open that one up, look.
So I open, yeah.
As you can see, first time opening.
Look
at that. Wow. That's the famous Doi Satep mountain in Chiang Mai.
Isn't it perfect? You get your own like a beautiful balcony with the view and private as well if you like for privacy.
Yeah, of course. And look at this, like a lovely little tea setup. You can have a nice little tea in the arvo. Or if you guys like to have a little drink at night, this is a perfect place for you guys. And just look at that, you can just watch the day go by.
You don't need to go anywhere, do you?
No, you don't. And this is a super quiet street. It's a really quiet street. We're just off like some of the main roads. And so up the end there's a main road. And that is going down to the moat that road down there, and also going up to Doi Setep. So, but this road here, apart from that song tour going past, which you probably can hear, is quiet. Trust me, it's quiet, and it's just off the road, and it's not, like a guy said, it's not even a far walk down to like Maya Shopping Centre. It's a 15-minute walk down the road, and if you get a motorbike, everyone's happy. You can easily ride up the mountain from here. It's a lovely place.
I'm very impressed and very happy.
Very happy, yes.
Especially after, like, how long have we been traveling?
We've been traveling in India for 2 months.
2 months, and then, well, since the airport, like, we were in the taxi for 4 hours.
Oh, yeah. So
we flew basically overnight.
Yeah.
Right?
So to give you context, we left Shivalaya yesterday at 6 p.m. And it was about 4 hours to Chennai from Tiruvannamalai. Wait in the airport
for another 4 hours.
For another 4 hours. Get the flight at 1:30.
Yes.
Arrived in Bangkok
6:30.
6:30. Wait another 4 hours. And then the flight from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, as many of you probably know, is not that far. So it's like an hour and 20 minutes or something like that. So it's basically like it's been a 12, oh, actually longer, it's been an 18-hour trip for us, basically. But most of the time is waiting in airports. So, but this is what you get at the end of that sort of journey. So, and we will be back in India very soon. But we're just going to be here for a month just to taste Chiang Mai life again, and we'll take you guys around to a little bit of Chiang Mai life. We may go on some trips, and if you enjoy these condo reviews of the places we stay, leave a comment, let us know. We're not so much into that, but if you do like it, we can show you some of the places that we stay. But we will be traveling, and we'll take you guys on some of the journey with us. So stay tuned. We hope you're safe and sound, and we'll see you guys next time. So we actually forgot to tell you how much the place is. And remember, we're coming in here just for 1 month. So this is not ordinary in Thailand. Usually people will get a 6-month or 1 year lease recurring, and you get a good deal. But how much are we paying, love, for this one?
We're paying 17,000 baht, which is about $500. So, and I think it's a really, really good deal considering what you're getting. And also we are coming actually best time of the year. So, which is a really, really good price. That's
right. So December, January is obviously, for those who know, it's high season in Thailand and in India and everywhere else. So when you're getting that price at 17,000 baht, I mean, that's quite a deal. Now, just think how much this place would be if you got it on a 6-month or a 1 year lease. I mean, we could be talking 12,000, 13,000 a month. So,
which is a really good price.
Really good price, yeah, for those of you who are interested in coming. But again, keep that in mind. If you're at a stage where you're just in between places and you just need a month here or there in Thailand, there is this sort of place. Nevis is one of those places that just does those 1 month deals and at a super price. And that's been ultra convenient for Guy and I before we head back to India next month. So we just wanted to end it there with you guys. Let us know if you think that price is a reasonable price, considering what the place looks like. And we'll see you guys next time.